Hi everybody, this is Sarika here from Customer Labs. Just a few minutes of your time. I wanted to share you how you can leverage the offline conversions into your ad platforms and drive higher performance for all your marketing efforts that you're putting in. But before going into that, how do you handle the G-Click ID issue that's happening? The most Google searches that we have seen and the most queries that we actually talk to marketers, they one of the primariest queries that we get is they wanted to send the offline conversions from their CRM to ad platforms easily. How do I do it? So this is the most requested query that we handle, and just wanted to share how we do it and what are the use cases that you can work around it. And how do we do it? Basically, after this, especially this Chrome's report on, I mean, Google Chrome's report on facing a third-party cookie tracking phasing out by Q3 of 2024, which is in next 4 5 months. There has been a lot of buzz around how do we do it. So when you are going to start collecting your own first party data and connect all the sources to the system, you are absolutely, you don't have to worry about anything. So when you're using customer first party data CDP, so you are absolutely privacy compliant. You do not have to have any developer or code knowledge, and it's super time efficient, and you can do it in less than 5 10 minutes. So let's say, for example, you can bring in any sources for that matter. I'll just show you. You can connect any sources inside system, and you have a custom source, you can bring that as well. So basically we are using fresh sales, we are using fresh sales CRM. So I'll show you how we actually do it. So on the fresh sales CRM, I have to do all those things. So I have created qualified lead. So in the qualified lead, what you do is that you can I've brought in the lead, I've connected the lead, set up the workflow, and that workflow is for only the qualified lead. I've named it. I'm selecting the data that I've gotten. I'm filtering the data. So I need the lead stage of the leads that's coming in. So I give solution fit, qualified and solution fit. Now I go to event now I'm configuring the event. So the event name is qualified and solution fit. I identify the user by their email and I map their event properties. So the qualified lead events properties. So I have the deal name, stage, currency code, deal value, deal amount, and account name and account ID. So these are the informations that I get, and I have set up the event. Now I have set the event up. So I'll show you now how do I send it. So all that I need to do is I go to AdWords, go to setup. First I would have authenticated. So here the authentication happens. Just have to authenticate and map the conversion events, blah blah blah. And then I go to setup event workflow, and then I switch on. So what did I send? I send qualified solution. So it's on. Sorry, I can't do this. I don't want to play with the existing setup. Uh, so yeah, its toggle is on. I've sent the event to AdWords. Now, for example, I query down by UTM source contains AdWords, and already there has been AdWords, and I say how many of them are there in a qualified solution the last 3 days. I run query. I have three audiences already. Let me see one of the user who is from that in the last 3 days. So for that user, I have their email ID, I have their content, postal city, G-click ID, country, all of that, all the information, and their email, Facebook ID, user ID, email ID, phone number, everything. How much session did they spend? And what page did they visit on, where did I acquire them from, what are the other touch points. I have all the information like this. So you can easily leverage your offline conversions very simply using first party data, customer lab CDP, and do value based lookalikes, value based bidding, assign value to your lead stages, and train the algorithm for better conversions. That's all. Thank you so much.